Everybody knows Singapore is a very rich country. That's right, home of the crazy rich Asians. You're looking at a typical rich Singaporean like me. My name is Terence and I'm going to bring you on an exciting house tour today. Let's go! Hey uncle, can cough somewhere else we're filming? Yeah, sorry. Come on. Now, in Singapore, we all live in mansions like this, also known as HDB, also known as huge dashing bungalows. So everybody, this is my beautiful mansion bungalow, which has 2 bedrooms, a kitchen, and a living room. So it's as spacious as 1.5 buses. Now, besides my mother, my father, my grandmother, my brother, and me, there's also space for 1 sister. No, I mean 2 sisters on the living room couch. So spacious. What do you think about that? Now, a lot of you ask me about gadgets in my living room. Let me tell you, smart living is the new smart. Now, I have many smart gadgets in this room. Just like this bad boy over here. A Bluetooth speakers. Like what? Hey, come close up. Yeah. So in case you're unfamiliar with this high-end technology called Bluetooth, it actually connects to your devices. But here's the catch. Without wires! Like what? Yeah, so this costs a bomb but I have it because I can. Not because the speakers on my TV doesn't work Yeah, and yes, you see, this one also. I'm sure you heard about this before, a Dyson. Yeah, this is a robot vacuum cleaner. Very good, very expensive. What? Smart curtains. Another buzzword for y'all. Now, I personally installed this very smart curtain system, right, which allows for maximum customization. Let me show you. If I'm feeling blue, I hang a blue clothes. If I'm feeling happy, I hang a colorful clothes. Now, let me explain. This very smart curtain system allows me to use my clothes as a curtain, and in turn, this system also allows my clothes, which is the laundry or the curtains, to dry out. Smart living. Now, this is absolutely my favorite part of the house tour. This is our beautiful dining area where we used to hold many large and exciting parties. And as you might have guessed, the furniture here comes from very top quality high-end luxury designer brands from the Scandinavian area. IKEA! That's right. Now it's very important to invest in top quality luxury furniture because I personally love the Scandinavian design, and as you all know, IKEA comes from where? That's right, Switzerland!
Sweden ko.
Anyway, bang! Can't be more Scandinavian than that, right? Now, our bathroom is very spacious. Yeah, as you can see, it can easily fit 3 people inside. Silence on set, please, filming. Anyway, yeah, it's occupied already right now. So, but as expected, I also have my own ensuite bathroom. Come, follow me. Come, my ensuite bathroom. Actually, we don't film here today because I haven't cleaned and packed it up yet. But as you can see, minimalist industrial style, which is the in thing right now. Yeah, thank you for joining me on my exciting and large house tour. I'm heading to work right now. Yes, you heard me right. Even crazy rich Singaporeans like me have to work. Anyway, I live in Woodlands, all the way in the north, and have to travel for work all the way in the east to Tampines. Fancy to fancy, but still a journey. Wow, bro, that line good, One more time. Fancy to fancy, but still a journey. And every morning, I'll just have to take one of my vehicles to work. I name them in colors: green, red, yellow, blue. Yeah, for today, I'll take the red one, and in 30 minutes, I'll have reached Tampines. Wow, how did I get here? Magic. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this house tour. Remember to leave down in the comment box on what you enjoyed most from my house tour, and maybe I'll leave the links of all the things that were shared in the video today. Yeah, see you in the next one. Thank you and bye-bye. Hey bro, the mesh cut just now nice. Hey, check. Can cut right?